Alright, we're back on this FH again, and like I say, last video it was all done and everything, but I'll give Mike the opportunity to start it because he's the one to put it together.
Yeah.
You know, and that's what it's all about. So now he's going to put some oil in there.
Teamwork.
And gasoline, and we'll take it outside.
That's a nice looking plug. Is that brand new?
No, I restored it. He cracks me up. I did. You know, this thing was all hacked up, Mike, and I ground it down and filed it, and it's made a nice thing.
It looks new old stock.
It does. I hate that. I hate when you get a knurled up nut. Don't forget, them things don't hold much. I don't know how many oil it holds, but
Yeah, not a whole lot. Okay, I think that was too much. And it might go down.
yeah, Mike's worked on these engines, but he ain't worked on these in years.
Yeah, I've been out of the small engine game for a while, despite the name, you know.
And I went just the opposite. I used to have that big. Remember that Fuller Johnson I had?
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. The hell was that thing when I bought that? You need a light? You got a light?
I do have a light, actually.
Okay.
Well, I can see it. I'm not quite there yet.
Yeah, so we're going to take it outside. I don't know if we're going to take it outside or not, Mike, because it's still like 95 degrees out.
Yeah, hot day.
So, let's see. Now we put some fuel in there.
Hot day in New Jersey.
I'm getting it on the paint.
Yeah.
That's what's nice about black. Get it on the paint, just slop it back up. Oh, yeah, it's on the paint, Mike.
I know, again.
Oh, dab it, dab it.
This
There we
oily
go.
rag.
Look at it, good as new. Good as new.
Let's see where it's
It's
at.
that alcohol, man. Alcohol tears everything up.
This should be good enough. That carburetor is pretty clean. The check valve worked good too, so
Yeah, well, it worked. I don't want to say it worked good, but it worked.
worked enough to give it a try though.
You all set there? Ready to go outside?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, you want to bolt it down in the cart?
Yeah, I'm worried about these feet here.
I think it'll be okay.
Yeah, okay. All right.
All right. We're all filled up there. Mike just finished putting the fuel in, and you know what, Mike? It's too hot out there.
Oh, you want to run it here?
We'll start it up in here, and we just don't run it that long. I mean, I got the air conditioner on, the fans going, so.
They're going to be telling us all about carbon
I
monoxide.
know, carbon monoxide.
All right.
Well,
We'll do briefly, yeah. All right. Well, we got to clamp down. Should be pretty sturdy.
Don't remember, guys. This was a basket case, and it was pretty sloppy. You know, even like the valves and stuff were pretty sloppy. So.
Yeah, the exhaust had some play.
It does.
But you know.
So if it don't start on the first kick, give Mike a break, because he's dealing with a 90-year-old.
So where do we have the fuel set at? 3/4. So half to 3/4 or 1 is in that department. I think it should start relatively easily. So
Okay. Let's give it a whirl, buddy.
give it a whirl here. Put the choke on.
Even the carburetor, you know, I sucked on the carburetor, and the check valve, it was working, but it wasn't working. You know,
Okay.
it should work. Huh. Not bad, buddy. I don't even think I was a full kick. I was like a half a kick.
Crazy. Crazy strat.
Yep.
No kick.
And it's running smooth too. Yeah, that rattling is this.
Oh.
Mike was wondering what was rattling. Huh.
And it's hitting every time, too.
Yeah, I was going to say them valves, for as bad as them valves were, man, they working pretty good. So there's hardly any play in that rocker.
Oh, yeah.
And you know what, Mike? It's not smoking at all.
That's impressive.
That's crazy.
Well, probably because you replaced the board. The
Yeah.
seat.
a nice gallop. It's got that BRIGGS gallop to it.
Now we can probably fine-tune it a little bit. I think it's too rich.
Yeah, I just seen a little puff of smoke.
Bad though.
For what it was.
Easy there, buddy.
Alright, shut it down, Mike, before we die. Even the kill switch
Even
works.
The kill switch, yeah.
Wow. I can't believe how nice that started. That was a half a kick.
FH number 101832.
Yep. The earliest BRIGGS known to man. Isn't even a slant pin. Very good, buddy. Very good.
I'm happy with it.
Me too.
It looks, I don't know.
Like I say, for as loose as that was.
Well, that shows you that you know, it doesn't. It's not going to the moon.
No, exactly.
It's just an engine. And in fact, if you wanted to, you could probably mount this on an old reel mower and cut grass with it.
Yep.
You know.
And them valves, they had to have been the worst valves I've ever seen as far as slop goes.
Oh, in the guides, yeah.
But it runs, man. That's what it is.
It had to run to get that way.
Exactly.
So it's probably got a couple more years left in it.
Sure. Well, it's a show engine,
Yeah.
and it's showing.
That's right.
It's showing. It's 90 years old. All right. Well, there you go, guys. And Mike, thanks for putting that together. I appreciate that.
Oh, my pleasure.
I know how much you enjoy that, but it's teamwork. So.
Takes you back to the good old days.
It does. It does.
Engines. Yep.
All right. What do you say we start the next one? All right.
Let's do it.
All right. See you guys later. You know what, Mike? Before I sign off, we signed off, but I forgot to thank Tim for this. Tim Doherty. He's just starting to put some videos up too. So, Tim, thanks. We really appreciate this, and it was a fun little project.
Oh, yeah. We always enjoy them.
And you guys haven't go check out Tim. Go ahead, because he's a pretty good guy. He's starting to put up some good videos too. He's got some different stuff, I'll call it.
Yeah.
So there you go. All right, let's get out of here, buddy. See you guys later.